In this video, I'll talk you through how you can go through your Twitter email notifications to make sure you don't receive all those emails from your account that you don't really want. Here we go. Now, particularly if you've got a fairly new account on Twitter, you might want to check that you haven't got email, because automatically by default it should be enabled. So you may be getting emails about people following you on Twitter, all kinds of activities suddenly brought into it. You just go to the settings and privacy, and then you need to click on notifications, and here you'll see preferences. So you'll see SMS notifications. So if you have that enabled, you get text messages. You certainly want to turn that off if it's not there. Obviously you have to enter a phone number to do that. Push notifications are the standard ones that when you're not on Twitter, you're not getting notified via your web browser about what's going on. But the most important one is the email notification. So we'll click on there. You'll see if you've got it enabled, then you can have a selection of different things you want to get notified about. But I mean, top tweets and stories, I'd turn that off. News from Twitter, etc. All these things I wouldn't include. The simplest way by far is just to go to the email notifications section and just turn that off completely. And that will stop all the emails coming through from Twitter, and then you can decide which ones you'd like to receive later on and enable them one by one. So that's how you do it with email notifications on Twitter. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.